Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Gadget Reviews. Today, we're exploring the top 12 best CNC router machine that can take your DIY projects, woodworking, and creative designs to a whole new level. Whether you're a hobbyist, maker, or professional, these machines deliver precision, speed, and versatility in every cut. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in and find your perfect CNC router. 3S CNC X-Axis Extender. If you're looking to expand your CNC workspace, the 3S CNC X-Axis Extender is a game changer. Designed for precision and durability, it allows for longer material cuts without sacrificing accuracy. Installation is straightforward, and the high-quality aluminum construction ensures minimal vibration during operation. Its compatibility with a variety of routers makes it versatile for any setup. Whether you're engraving wood, acrylic, or soft metals, this extender maintains consistent precision. The smooth movement of the X-axis and enhanced travel distance make larger projects more manageable. For hobbyists and professionals alike, it's an affordable way to unlock bigger project possibilities without buying a new machine. Masuter Pro CNC Router. The Masuter Pro CNC Router is built for high-performance precision. It features a robust frame, allowing for stable operation even at high speeds. With advanced stepper motors and an intuitive controller, cutting intricate designs has never been easier. The machine supports multiple materials, including wood, plastic, and aluminum, making it perfect for versatile projects. Setup is user-friendly, and the included software ensures smooth workflow from design to execution. Professionals and serious hobbyists will appreciate the high repeatability and reliable cutting depth. Its compact yet powerful design makes it a perfect addition to any workshop. This router balances power, precision, and ease of use effortlessly. The 4040 Pro MAX CNC Router. The 4040 Pro MAX CNC Router stands out with its sturdy build and impressive cutting area. It's designed for both small and medium-sized projects, offering consistent performance across different materials. The heavy-duty aluminum frame reduces vibrations, giving you precise and clean cuts every time. Its software compatibility and intuitive interface make programming patterns and designs simple, even for beginners. With high-speed stepper motors, you can complete projects faster without compromising accuracy. Maintenance is minimal, and the modular design allows for easy upgrades. Whether you're engraving, milling, or cutting, the 4040 Pro Max delivers reliability and precision for both creative and functional projects in any workshop environment. Upgraded 3-axis CNC Router. The upgraded 3-axis CNC router is perfect for those looking for precision combined with modern technology. The upgraded motors provide smooth and accurate movement along all 3 axes, reducing errors in intricate designs. Its solid frame minimizes vibrations and ensures long-term stability. With a generous working area, it accommodates various project sizes, from small crafts to larger panels. Installation is quick, and the included software supports multiple file formats for easy design transfer. Ideal for woodworking, acrylic, and soft metals, this router combines versatility and reliability. The machine's durable construction ensures years of consistent performance, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned makers. Masuter 3S CNC Router. The Masuter 3S CNC Router is designed for hobbyists and professionals seeking precision in a compact package. It features a rigid aluminum frame that minimizes vibrations, ensuring clean and accurate cuts. With advanced stepper motors and smooth linear rails, it handles wood, acrylic, and soft metals effortlessly. The included software makes setup and design transfer simple, even for beginners. Its quiet operation and efficient design are perfect for home workshops. Whether you're engraving intricate patterns or cutting functional parts, this router provides reliable performance. The Masuter 3S is also easily upgradable, giving you room to expand capabilities without replacing the entire machine, a smart investment for growing makers. TTC450 Pro 3-axis CNC. The TTC450 Pro 3-axis CNC delivers high-quality precision for professional projects. Its durable frame ensures minimal vibration even at higher speeds for clean and consistent cuts. Advanced stepper motors and smooth linear rails enable accurate 3-axis movement for detailed work. It's compatible with various materials including wood, acrylic, and soft metals, offering flexibility for diverse projects. The machine's easy-to-use software simplifies design transfers, while the sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability. Setup is straightforward, and the included components support efficient workflow. For professionals and serious hobbyists, the TTC450 Pro provides an excellent balance of speed, accuracy, and versatility for both creative and functional CNC applications. Steel Wheel 3-Axis CNC. The Steel Wheel 3-Axis CNC is engineered for heavy-duty precision and durability. Its robust steel frame eliminates vibrations, delivering accurate results consistently. High-performance stepper motors and precision linear guides ensure smooth, precise motion along all 3 axes. Ideal for cutting wood, plastic, and soft metals, this CNC handles a wide range of projects. The software is beginner-friendly, but the machine also supports advanced designs for professional use. Its build quality and stability make long projects stress-free, and maintenance is minimal. Whether you're crafting custom parts, signage, or intricate designs, the Steel Wheel 3-Axis CNC combines power, precision, and reliability for an all-around CNC experience. Artisan 4-Axis CNC Engraver. The Artisan 4-Axis CNC Engraver takes creativity to the next level with its extra rotary axis. Ideal for cylindrical objects, this machine allows engraving on bottles, pens, and other round surfaces with ease. Its sturdy frame and high-quality stepper motors ensure precision and repeatability. The included software supports multiple file formats and allows for intricate designs. Despite its advanced features, setup is user-friendly, making it accessible to both beginners and pros. Its build quality and stability make long projects stress-free, and maintenance is minimal. Whether you're crafting custom parts, signage, or intricate designs, the Artisan 4-Axis CNC combines power, precision, and reliability for an all-around CNC experience.
NBX-5040 High-Speed CNC. The NBX-5040 High-Speed CNC is built for efficiency and precision. Its high-speed stepper motors allow for faster cutting without sacrificing accuracy, perfect for time-sensitive projects. The rigid frame minimizes vibrations and maintains consistent results on every cut. It supports wood, acrylic, and aluminum, giving you versatility for a variety of applications. The included intuitive software simplifies file transfers and project setup, even for beginners. With a compact design, it fits easily into most workshops without taking up unnecessary space. Ideal for hobbyists and small-scale professionals, the NBX-5040 combines speed, reliability, and precise craftsmanship to produce impressive results on every project. Cubiko Smart Desktop CNC. The Cubiko Smart Desktop CNC is perfect for makers who want a compact yet powerful router. Its small footprint fits neatly on a desk while still offering precise 3-axis control. The smart interface and easy-to-use software allow seamless project setup, making it beginner-friendly. Despite its size, it handles wood, acrylic, and soft metals efficiently. The stable frame and quiet motors ensure smooth, vibration-free operation, ideal for indoor use. It's perfect for small-scale projects, personalized gifts, or prototyping. The Cubiko Smart Desktop CNC is a great choice if you need convenience, precision, and advanced features all in a portable desktop package, making your creative project effortless.
Beginner 6060 CNC Router. The Beginner 6060 CNC Router is designed with newcomers in mind, offering a balance of simplicity and functionality. Its aluminum frame reduces vibration, ensuring accurate and smooth cuts. The stepper motors are reliable, providing consistent performance for woodworking, acrylic, and soft metal projects. Easy-to-follow setup instructions and intuitive software make learning CNC operation a breeze. Despite being beginner-focused, it still delivers professional quality results, allowing users to tackle intricate designs confidently. Its size accommodates moderately large projects, and maintenance is minimal.
The Beginner 6060 is perfect for hobbyists starting their CNC journey, combining affordability, reliability, and ease of use in one accessible package. PROVerXL 4030 V2 CNC. The PROVerXL 4030 V2 CNC router is a high-performance machine designed for serious creators. Its reinforced frame ensures stability during high-speed operations, while precision stepper motors deliver consistent, accurate cuts. Compatible with wood, acrylic, and soft metals, it's versatile for multiple project types. The upgraded software interface makes design transfer straightforward, even for complex patterns. Its build quality and modular design allow future expansions and upgrades. Whether you're engraving, milling, or cutting, this router provides professional-grade performance for both hobbyists and small-scale manufacturers. With reliability, precision, and user-friendly operation, the PROVerXL 4030 V2 is a worthy investment for anyone serious about CNC projects.
And that wraps up our list of the top 12 best CNC router machine you can get right now. Each of these routers offers unique features and capabilities, whether you're just starting out or taking your projects to a professional level. Remember, before making a purchase, check the link in the description for the latest prices and full details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech and Gadget Reviews, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest top product reviews.